Start with daily charges. I want to give a quick update. If we refer to our analysis, after we get this drop, we come up with the 0.143 as a support. The first time the price tag there was no breakout, we see the reversal. The second time even there was no reversal, no breakout, then we get the reversal. Now the question is, what's the next? Whether we can expect the price to retest the 14 cent, or we can expect this one to be in relative to any of this as a correction, as a flat three-way for one move up. All right, then we cannot confirm, okay, because it depends on the overall market, but mostly we're looking, for me, I'm looking at this one as a correction relative to what we have here for one move up. That's why I'm looking for buy. But the first, with the breakout of 0.215, we can expect the price drop to 0.197. And if the price could break the 19 cent, then mostly we can expect the price to drop and retest the 14 cent. All right. That's why we come up with this two line. We don't want to see the breakout of this zone. If the breakout of the 19, then this is what we will get. If not, then the prices start to drop and within this range start to consolidate. Then any opportunity for buy as a reversal, if we get from there, I will take it. And at this point, I don't see any trade setup. And if we move to forward chart, similar explanation. I'm looking at this one. I'm expecting the price to start as drop as a corrective. Then from there, we're looking for buy. But as I mentioned, we have to wait and we have to get the confirmation and the trade setup. Simply, we will not take the trade. And if we move to 1 hour chart, and even based on 1 hour chart, the price retest following by divergence. Then we want to see how we can look for the trade setup. All right. That's meaning from there, we are looking for the trade setup. Anyway, as I mentioned, we have to wait. Simply, we will not take the trade, because if the price continue and drop and break the 19 cent, mostly if the price break the 19 cent, then this one will disappear. Then from there we can look for 14. That's why what the reason I'm mentioning about this one, the only reason is we have to look for buy as a reversal, at least flag. All right, and simply we shouldn't take the trade. And if we move to higher time frame, if we move to monthly chart, if we're looking for the reversal, and if before the price retest the all-time high, we're looking at the 53 cent following by 65, then the all-time high, and with the breakout of the all-time high, the targets we are looking for is 97 and 1.23. This is the most important. With the break, the 19.7 is not the main target. The main target I'm looking for with the breakout of the all-time highs is at least 1.2. All right. Then if we move to weekly chart, similar explanation, we don't see anything else. The only thing is we want to confirm whether this is the correction in relative to what we have here. If we confirm with this, this is what we will get. All right, that's why I mentioned simply we shouldn't take the trade. And mostly I'm expecting this one turn to flat for one move up. That's why we have to wait based on lower time frame. I explained how we can look for trade based on forward and 1 hour chart, right? And if we get any opportunity for buy as a reversal, if we get, and if the price could break the previous top, we will keep the trade. If we see there is no breakout, they start to consolidate, as long as the price tag this top or here, we should at least move our stop loss to break even, because we can expect the price drop as a corrective similar to what I draw here. Okay. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.